Hello everyone, today's video I'm gonna show you how to clean your PC and get better performance. For these tricks you have to go to first search option here and just type run. Just click on the here and just type uh, temp and just click OK, and you can see there's a lot of file here. Just select all the file and just delete. Sometime you just see there's an option you can't delete all the file. Just click on do this for all current item and click skip, and again go to the search option and type run, click here, and again type uh, person person, then click OK, and same just do the same things. Just select all the file, for press select all the file, just press Ctrl and A, then delete. Again just click do this for all current item and skip. Same here, skip, then just refresh and delete all the file from recycle bin, and boom, your work is done. Your PC is now fully clean and you will get better performance. I hope this video will help you a lot, and thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.